Tired of complicated audio setups? Want to transform your living room into a concert hall or karaoke stage without breaking the bank? Stick around, because I've found something truly special that's about to upgrade your entire sound experience. The Pyle PDA29BU 200W wireless Bluetooth stereo power amplifier. This isn't just another box. It's the heart of your new home audio system, packed with features that deliver incredible performance and versatility. First up, let's talk power. This compact powerhouse delivers a robust 200 watts with 100 watts RMS, ensuring your music doesn't just play, it fills the room. Imagine hosting a karaoke night where every note is crystal clear and powerful, or settling down for a movie with truly immersive, cinematic sound. The PDA29BU accommodates 2 sets of speakers, allowing you to create a dynamic stereo soundstage that brings your audio to life. You'll hear details you've been missing, feel the bass, and truly experience your favorite tracks and films like never before. It's the perfect foundation for any home theater or studio setup, delivering high-quality amplified audio that genuinely impresses. But wait, there's more than just raw power. There's unparalleled connectivity and convenience. In today's wireless world, Bluetooth is essential, and the PDA29BU delivers it flawlessly. Forget tangled cables and complicated pairing processes. This amplifier features hassle-free Bluetooth wireless music streaming, connecting instantly with your smartphone, tablet, iPhone, or computer. Just pair once, and you're ready to stream your favorite playlists, podcasts, or audiobooks from anywhere in the room. It's about freedom, simplicity, and having your entire digital music library at your fingertips, making your audio experience truly seamless and enjoyable. And here's where the Pyle PDA29BU really shines. Its incredible array of inputs and precision EQ controls. This isn't just a Bluetooth speaker. It's a command center for all your audio sources. You get a dedicated RCA audio input for your classic tuner, CD player, or tape deck, bringing your beloved vintage gear back to life. For modern convenience, there are USB and SD card slots, allowing you to play digital files directly. Plus, with 2 1/4-inch microphone inputs, your karaoke nights just got a serious upgrade. But what truly sets it apart are the intuitive rotary knob controls for microphone volume, bass, treble, and master volume. This means you can fine-tune every aspect of your sound, from boosting the bass for an action movie to perfecting the vocal mix for your next sing-along. The built-in digital LED display clearly shows your input mode and track information, and a remote control is included for adjustments from your couch. The Pyle PDA29BU isn't just an amplifier. It's a complete audio hub designed to elevate your listening experience, whether you're a casual listener, a home theater enthusiast, or a karaoke king. It combines robust power, versatile connectivity, and precise control in one sleek, affordable package. Stop settling for mediocre sound. Give your music, movies, and parties the audio they deserve. Transform your space into an entertainment powerhouse. Find the link to the Pyle PDA29BU in the description below and unlock a world of incredible